Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DBD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement today, not only from that point of view, but also from the volume point of view. You can see well above average volume, so a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above the $7 mark. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 7, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 7, that would be a nice sign of strength. Next level of support after that would just be where kind of the craziness of the first 30 minutes finally stopped, and that's right down there around $6.55. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see the opening 30 minutes was quite the clown show. Price was all over the place, but then obviously, after things settled down, the price essentially spent the rest of the day grinding back upwards. But point here being, in the near term, $7 and then $6.55-ish are going to be those near-term levels of support. In the event the price were to break down below there, that's where you would want to keep an eye on the purple line there. This is a little tricky because, yeah, right now that purple line is valued at 559, but that is the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So that value is going to change, and it's not like it's going to remain 559 for the remainder of the week. So in the event the price does break down through 655, at that point, it's kind of up to you as a trader to, locate and figure out what the current price of that, 50-period moving average would be. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, main group of them seem to be right here around $7.35. I get it, the price did go up above there a couple of times, but the general area of price congestion does seem to be right around $7.35-ish. If the price can push up through there, then nothing fancy at all, other than the fact that during that 30-minute clown show, the highest it got was up there at $7.60, so $7.60 would be that next key level. Anyway you look at it, though, great movement today, great volume. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls start to chip away and build some higher bases here? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.